Just Buggin'. Hey guys, this is G-Man with Just Buggin'. We're back at the 1961 Ragtop VW Beetle. PeeWee, of course. And we're gonna get ready to resurrect PeeWee to its finest form. We're gonna pull the motor out today and take it in for disassembly to a long block, and then they get it over to the builder and have the motor evaluated, see what it needed for the rebuild. So that's what we're gonna do today on 4th of July. That's how we do it here at Just Buggin'. Got Azariah here today, and where's Andre? He's in the truck.
He's hiding.
Keeping cool. You see the hand waving. And we have the owner over here and some neighbors. We're gonna get on with it. We're gonna start out with disconnecting the battery. Let me see what I need in here. It's most likely a 10mm. That's a little bit of a pain. There you go. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Wow, the original cover. Yeah, that is really neat. I've never seen that set up. That's nice. Like yeah, it doesn't, yeah, I can see now that it looks newer. All right, here we go. No power. It takes longer to get it in the air than it does to get it out. Safety first. 25 inches. Well, I want it. It's going to have to go higher to get onto the stands. There we go. That's it. Sometimes you have to put a block on it, get to the last inch. Perfect. How many inches do we have?
30.
30. Beep beep. What's our measurement now? Sweet, from the top of the board. 25. That's right on the money. All right, let me just keep working this out of my way as I get bolts until we take the last bolt out.
Metrics
here. Huh, that's interesting. I've never seen that set up there. You gotta get that whole thing off. Hold this. Boy, they just don't give you the room right there. We're gonna have to fish that out. Watch out, this has oil in the bottom of it. Don't tilt it. Okay, that's the choke, that stays here. I'm just loosening that one up first. And then I'm gonna take this top one off and the two bottom ones and leave that one, position the jack, and we're out of here. I'll go ahead and pull that cable out so we don't have to mess with it. All right, that's out of the way. Howdy.
Well, howdy.
Anybody have any clue how much gas is in this car?
Yeah, 2 gallons, I think.
Do you have a small screw or something I could screw up into the hull? I didn't bring something. Into the hull of the hose? Anybody have something like that? Like a small bolt or something I can screw up into the hose. So it plugs it, because I don't want it, it's jacked in the air, and when I put it down it might.
A golf tee would work, right?
Oh, that'd be great, yeah.
I've got some.
I should have known. There's no shortage in golf tees here. That'll work.
This lucky golf tee.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Oh, yeah. That's hilarious. Careful not to get a drop on anything. I have paper towels and soap, lava.
This time make the car smell good. Does that make the car smell good?
Huh?
So you brought the guava?
Oh yeah, I brought the guava. I love that. Guava, lava, whatever. That's the only soap that takes stuff off your hands. I love that soap, dude.
Trying to make the car smell good.
Just don't leave it out in the rain or leave it in a soap dish because it gets soggy. And you need that grit, man. You rub that on your hand and good stuff. Maybe we could we'll get sponsored by Lava Soap. Hey, you working on your bug, you get the greasy and grimy. Get out your bar of Lava Soap. Okay, man, I'm fishing for a sponsor.
Dalton over here like,
You hear that, guys? Plug us.
I'll get free Lava Soap for life.
Sponsor us.
sponsor us.
You still buy lava soap?
Yeah, it's a bar.
Nothing worse than to hell with the Gojo, man.
Yeah,
Get
the
you some
Gojo
Lava
stuff.
Soap. Yeah.
You hear that? Sponsor.
Yeah, I love it. I buy it like 2 bars at a time. Anybody want to throw that away? Gaba grease. A gaba grease. All right. The only nut we have left on it is the one back there like you did before. Just
doing it right?
Oh,
All right.
you know they are. I'm watching every second.
I figured that.
I'll say, okay.
Oh, hold on. I see something. One thing. Much easier if you get this thing out of the way. I'm sure you're gonna throw SpongeBob in on that one, huh? Almost out of there. There we go. We're clearing it now. Hold up on the,
Get up, all right.
yeah, you gotta keep up on the bar. All right, are we on the stands? Yes, okay, hold it. You hold the bar. All right, pull it back towards you. Tilt it. Hold it. All right, ready to come down, you hold it.
She's dirty. Very.
Grab a hold right here, and it's not gonna hurt you if you grab the coil. I want you to try to lift up on the motor some.
If you need some help, just yell.
There we go. Go on the board. There we go. Now we got to do is drag the board out, and we never mess with their concrete. Except maybe my hand left a fingerprint. So you can tell G-Man was here. Great. All right. Well, look at there. Yep. She's out. Pee-wee opened up and said, ah, and we took her out.
She had a sore tooth.
It will be well worth it.
That's a
Look at
weird
that,
distributor. I've never seen that.
Is that loose?
What is that? Wow. That's neat.
Is that a red trap brand? I can't
I've never
tell.
seen that. It's cool. The old diaphragm style. Wow. That's neat. Pretty cool. Let's go. There we go. Mission accomplished. All right. Sweet. Hey guys, G-Man. As you can see, we got her out of there. Yes, she's going to be resurrected, and here she is over here, as you can tell. She won't look that way when she comes back.
That's for sure.
Just bugging.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video about PeeWee. Stay tuned for more videos in the future about PeeWee when it comes back out of rebuild from one of our other engine rebuilders. If you guys like this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just bugging of a day.